Hello everyone, do you like to eat meat aspic? Today I have a very yummy recipe, shrimp aspic. Please come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. Thank you. So I have a 1 kilogram of chicken paw. Yes, that's right. I use chicken paws to get the gelatinous from it, so that it can form aspic. If meat aspic, we will use a pork skin or a pork leg, or if somebody like a shortcut, they will use gelatin. But I use chicken feet here for shrimp aspic, so that it's easy for anyone who doesn't want to eat pork, and it's on a healthy and lighter side. The chicken paw is more healthy than the pork skin or pork meat. So first I need to sanitize the paws, because the chicken walk on the ground very dirty feet. So I blend them in hot salt and vinegar mixture with broth. I use stock instead of water, but if you don't have stock ready, you can use just water. Bring it to the boil and drop in your paws and blanch for 3 minutes. And then after that, I clean thoroughly under the water, the cold water, and remove every bit of dirt. And I thoroughly clean, so I'm very happy that they are so clean now. Now the time that we cook them, I cook it with the garlic, ginger, shallot, onion, cilantro, and parsley stalks, together with whole black peppercorns, so that get rid of any animal smell, and as a result we will have very nice delicious broth. And to get the clear aspic, I need to continuously to remove scum that rises on the surface. And now to get the decoration and the color, because I do shrimp, so carrot orange color will help enhance it. I have 8 big jumbo shrimp here, but how many shrimp you want, you just get them in. To devein the shrimp, I use much toothpicks and poke the hole and get the digestion tract out. These shrimps are pretty clean, so the tracks are not so dark and black. Now I will remove the head. I don't discard the shells and the head. I will put in the stock that we cooking on the stove now, so that the broth finally is more flavorful, and that means very flavorful aspic. So I already vein and remove the shells. Now I will remove the head, and the head will go to the stock as well, because I like the flavor of the tamale. That means the sauce, you can see the yellow or red substance in the head there. Very, very, very nice flavor. Now I score the shrimp in half, but not completely cut away. I want this so that when the shrimp cook, it will open and increase the volumes. That's it. All my shrimp are done now. I remove the scum again, and I will drop in. I already did drop in the shell and the head. I continue to remove scums because I want my aspic clear. Now the time for shrimp to come in, and you can see that my stock is piping, boiling now. If you want to cook shrimp and want the nice texture, the water needs to be boiling like I have. So my shrimp cooked. Now I remove them, and I just season my broth with the fish sauce, salt, and pepper. I use only those three things. If you are in the Asian countries, they will use MSG to enhance, but I'm on about natural and no use of chemical. But my stock is very flavorful because I have a lot of chicken paw and shrimp shell, shrimp heads. So it's very, very nice already, so I don't miss any MSG here. So after all done, now we will assemble the aspic. I use a bowl here. I use clear one so that you can see what's going on. I spread the carrot around and the shrimp scatter around, and I strain the aspic, the broth into it. And you can see I use 6 cups of water, but it resulted that bowl of aspic. So the broth is very concentrated and is flavorful. Now this is I put on the counter for 2 hours. If you want set faster, you can put in the fridge. Now it's almost set. I want to add carrots around the rims, around the sides of the bowl, so that when I invert the bone onto the plate for the final product, we will see the carrot, the orange carrot everywhere, and it looks nice this way. I will put the side up so that you can see. You see, this is almost set. Now you can see the side. I put up high like this so that you can see the size of the bone. Now I go out to the garden and harvest a cilantro. I have one cilantro pops up here. The good thing about cilantro, you grow once and then you will have this forever, because next year they will come back. And you don't need much, just a few sprigs. To have a release the aspic, I use hot water in another bowl that bigger than my current, so that I drop in the bowl about 30 seconds. You don't need to leave too long, it will ruin your aspic. To be careful, I use small knife to go around the side, and I will invert it now. Wish me luck. If you think that it not come out, you can use the knife to have just box in the side. You can see when it dropped down, it's not in the center, so I wiggle a little bit so it came into the center for me. Now I scatter shrimp around, and the cilantro goes in. I also have the orange rose that I cut the orange and rind and roll up to be a rose. And I saw the middle center a little big, so I get some flowers from the vegetables and put in the center. You see the big holes there, so I will get the flowers. Here you go. This flower is edible from the vegetables. Now let's have a taste test. You can see the looks are wonderful, and I already tasted the broth earlier, but now it became aspic. Let's eat. Can't wait. You see how so clear the aspic and so flavorful. I eat it with the fermented mustard green. You can see the crunch from the mustard green. I will share the recipe with you. Come back soon. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.